I have no idea why it took Meta so long to just add the ability to have two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. You've been able to do that for a long time on Android, but now thankfully we have that ability on your iPhone. If you wanted to say a personal account and a business account, or maybe just two personal accounts, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to add it. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the App Store on your iPhone. And then tap on search at the bottom right. And we're just going to search for WhatsApp and make sure to update it. Because this is a recent feature, make sure you tap into update and tap into WhatsApp and tap update if there is an update available. But after we've done that, let's walk through the steps of actually adding the other account. So tap on the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and you'll be able to see I'm in my normal account. Tap on the U button at the bottom right, scroll down, and tap on Account with the little lock icon next to it. Now you'll be able to see a new feature at the top, Add Account. Just tap on that, and you can see my normal account, and I'll just tap on Add an Account. I'll show you how to add it, but also how to switch between accounts and how to remove one of those accounts if you change your mind. So just tap on agree and continue. You will need a different phone number. So if you have a business line or just an alternate phone number, maybe even from Google Voice, you can just enter that in now and then get the verification code to set everything up. After you do have that account on your phone, to be able to switch from one account to another one, all you're going to do is double tap on the U button at the bottom right. So tap on it twice and you'll be able to switch from one account to the other one. And again, to switch back, just double tap on U. To remove one of those accounts, if you no longer want it on there, all you need to do is scroll down and tap on the account button again. And then scroll down and you'll see an option that says remove account. It'll be right next to delete account. Again, don't delete that account, just tap on remove account and you'll be able to remove one if you no longer want it associated with your WhatsApp app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.